You are going to love the 2008 G6. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, push button start, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, telescopic steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, auto express down window, cloth upholstery. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.